Hi guys, I'm Marlene and welcome to my home and garden channel. We are having a white party today. And for every white party, you need to have your white tablescape. So that's what my video is going to be about today. And it's actually part of an open collaboration with two channels, Penny from At Penny's Place and Anna from the Grace DIY Wife channel. And they're actually having birthdays and we are celebrating them by doing a white tablescape. And I'll be linking their channels in the description box below, guys, so be sure to check them out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what I came up with. Hope you like these flowers right here and it puts you in the mood to see what I did. So guys, for the centerpiece in today's video, I'm going to be making a nice tall floral arrangement. And I'm going to go through step by step and show you exactly how I did it. And these are some of the items that I use for the decorations. These are some nice roses that I got from the dollar store. They have a slightly off-white color, which I thought was added a little interest to the display. And these right here are some white hydrangeas, and I got 4 bunches, and 4 was just enough, but I think I could have maybe used 5. So if you're going to be doing this, I definitely would recommend that you get 5 of them if you're going to get them from the dollar store. And I'm going to be cutting them off in that area that you're seeing there. And you'll see as we go along, exactly how I'm going to do it. And this was a nice bunch of spray flowers that I got from Walmart. They were actually on clearance for $2.50. And I thought that was really good, a good buy because there's a lot of them on there. They're different heights. I maybe cut like about 2 of them or maybe 3. And then the others I can just slip the blossoms off and then I can put them back on. So that way, I can use them for future arrangements because I like to do things that are budget friendly. And this right here is actually called an Eiffel Tower vase or vase, if you call it vase. And it makes it just, be a tall arrangement, makes it look very elegant. And I'll link it in the description box below in case you wanted to get any of those online on Amazon. As you can see right here, it's actually 16 inches tall, which is good because it gives it that height. So that way when you have the vase standing with your flowers, you can see the person that's in front of you that you're talking to. And this is a good investment and you can use it time and time again. And I just love that, the look of the crystal. It just looks so elegant to me. So I thought that was a really good buy. Definitely recommended. And if you've seen my videos before, you'll see that I like to use doilies. These are from the dollar store. There's 2 of them on there for $1. I'm going to be doing a table setting for 4. So I'm going to be using 4 of those, 2 packs. And guys, if you love decorating, I do upload my decorating videos on Thursdays and the gardening ones I do on Fridays. And here I got some floral foam, and this one, the dimensions is good because it has a lot of depth to it. For the arrangement that we're doing today, you need to have one that's a little deeper. The ones that are just 2 inches are a little too flat, and I'll also link these as well too if you wanted to get those online. And this right here is a beautiful ribbon that I got also at Walmart, and I thought that the color was just really, really nice. A different shade of green than what we typically would see. And you can see the dimensions there. And you'll definitely need to have these, to cut the flowers. And I like to have the ones with the safety gear so that way, if there are any kids around, then you know that they're protected. And I also will need to have my scissors, to go ahead and cut the ribbon. So I'm going to be using some skewers. These I got from Walmart. Of course, you can use any brand that you like. This just happens to be the one that I chose. And so about 3/4 way down on the block of the floral foam, I'm going to be sticking the skewer in. And that's going to be there to secure the vase when I stick it in there. And you can just give it a little bit of a tap with the scissors to get it all the way in. Here's a little piece sticking out. That's fine because, once we start to put the flowers on there, then it's not going to show. Then we're going to invert the vase and just make sure that it's lined up correctly and then just stick it in there. And so what the skewer is going to do is that it's going to prevent the vase from going all the way through. If you're working it, just to make sure it's stable. And this really held well in place. No glue needed because you may want to take it off and reuse it in the future. We're going to get ready for the flowers now, guys, that we're going to stick in there. And this is how I had cut them off at that height. And here are the items that I use. I'm going to go through step by step with you. That right there is a placemat. And I got some silver chargers. That was from the dollar store. And you've seen this plate before. And the matching salad plate as well. And I thought that was really a good combination. The brown helps it to pop so you can really see the silver, because there's a lot of white on the table, but you know, it's a white party. And you can see there I have the napkin and I use a doily around it. And I got, you know, the flower and I stuck it in there. And I thought it just looked really, really nice. And the ribbon, I just used my glue gun to glue it together and then just slip the napkin in there. And I'm going to go ahead and place my my silverware, knife, and the salad fork and the entree fork. And guys, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss an upload. My videos will get suggested to you and you can decide which ones you want to see. And if you like the content, you can also share it with anyone that you think it might help. So then I'm coming in with the glassware, and that's for water, and that's for whatever else you might be drinking. And now, guys, it's time for the reveal. So I'm giving you a vertical sweep first, just because it's a tall arrangement. And I want you to get the full effect of what it looks like. And so there it is, guys. And I thought it came out really nice. As you can see, I have the white flowers in a sort of a dome on the top. And I have some of the flowers trailing there. So just to give you a closer look, I'd love to see your comments, you know, as to what you thought about this. You know, I chose purple and white. I know some of the ladies in the group that they actually like those colors, as do I. So I thought it would be perfect, and I just love how these flowers look. It just has that nice formal feeling to it. And of course, you know, you could try different colors, you know, if you wanted to do it in the future. And I just wanted to take a moment to say happy birthday to all these lovely ladies that are celebrating their birthdays. And if you are celebrating yours too, or it's coming up shortly, then I wish you all the very best. And I hope you have many more wonderful years ahead of you. And you see I have my crystal candlesticks there. And that's just to make sure that, you know, if we're going into the nighttime, you can always light those up and have a nice glow there. Don't you just love how that looks, guys? I really, really like how it came out. And of course, if you didn't want to do silver, you can always, you know, do the gold option. Use like gold chargers or other things like that. And I did put some flowers along. You can see my I put white on white table runner right there. So it's a white runner on the white tablecloth. And I did just, you know, arrange your flowers on there to help to tie everything together. A few loose ones, I, you know, pulled them off and I put them in there as well. So guys, that's how it came out. I enjoyed this so much. Be sure to check out the other ladies' channels. I thank you so much, my faithful subscribers and viewers, for coming back each time. I do want to wish you all the very best, and I do hope to see you in the next video.